So welcome all of you again with respect to the Futuromics channel. So in this particular video, I will be sharing you a web-based application, but using Plotly. So in Plotly, it contains a dash. So I'm going to show you what exactly the Plotly dash is about and how exactly we can build a small application using a Plotly dash application, right? So what exactly the Plotly dash is about? So Plotly dash is nothing but a Python-based framework, which is developed by the Plotly. Okay, so if you want to know what exactly the Plotly is about and how exactly we can make a very fantastic interactive, what you can say as the visualizations, so definitely you can visit towards my one of the video regarding the Plotly. Okay, so here if you definitely know that we have a very good applications where Python has been integrated using a Flask, Plotly, and the React.js, because Dash allows the user to build interactive and very good kind of application within the web-based. So that is why the particular dash has been integrated with the Plotly. And not only you can make a very good interactive web applications with your data, but also here you can see that it can even perform data analysis and visualizations. Okay, so it can also help with respect to the 2D and 3D graphs on your web with respect to the data sets. Fine. So I'm going to proceed by showing you how exactly the installations can be done and how we can proceed by running one simple code. Okay, so that both the links I will be sharing you in the description. So meanwhile, we are going to go with the Plotly dash. So if you just search Plotly dash, definitely this link will get open. Even I will be sharing this link. So once you go with this, here you will find the very good introduction regarding the dash. I'm going to proceed with the tutorials. And if you just click on the tutorial, you will find the first part is regarding installation. Okay, so in installation, you will be finding the commands, the how exactly you can perform the, or else you can go ahead and just make the environment. So once you just do that, then we can proceed with respect to the navigator, okay, or else the terminal. So in the terminal or the navigator, you can just proceed by writing the commands. So I have done previously so that we can just quickly go ahead. So in an Anaconda navigator command terminal, I have just simply run the following commands. So in the commands, you will be getting the environments which we have to proceed and just go ahead. So once we go with the installation from here, so you will find the particular commands like pip install dash, okay? And then you have to proceed with the Jupyter dash if you are proceeding with to run the particular dash application using Jupyter, then you have to just run this particular command like pip install Jupyter dash. And afterwards, simply you have to proceed by pip install pandas. Okay, so this all the things you have to proceed with the Anaconda navigator. You have to simply type over here in your search like Anaconda navigator. Okay, so you will find this particular prompt. Okay, so you have to just simply click on that and you will find this thing. I have just run this previously, and here you will find this thing like the same thing pip install dash. And once it go ahead, then afterwards you have to just proceed with installing the particular Jupyter dash. Okay, and then afterwards you will find that different things are getting installed in that. And finally pandas. Okay, so you have to just go with the pandas, import, install pandas, and then Jupyter notebook. So once you go with the Jupyter notebook, I will be sharing you Jupyter notebook from here. So it will going to launch a Jupyter notebook. And once it's done, so you have to just simply you will find this particular page. Okay, and then you have to just click on new. Fine. And what you have to type over here. Yeah, so you have to just go in this particular over here, the part 2, that is nothing but the layout. So in the layout you will be getting the command or else the particular application. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, so we are going to run this app. Okay, so this app is regarding the data which has been imported over here. So if you want to just, you can copy this. Okay, you can try and do different way. You can just copy this exactly the same thing and go in the Jupyter notebook, and then you can paste that particular thing, yeah, which is over here. Okay, or else you can just make the particular app file. Okay, app.py, and then you can run with again with the command prompt. So I'm going to simply run this. So once I do that, so what exactly it will be? Okay, so I will be getting a link. Okay, so this is the HTTP link which will be for the web application. Okay, so what exactly the code is about, we are going to see now. So from dash import dash HTML. Okay, because HTML is going to launch in our web, and then Plotly Express, so that we can get the interactive plots, the pandas, and the dash. Fine. And then afterwards you will find the particular title. Okay, and then finally we have to mention that run on server. So if anybody is getting this error, once you just run exactly the same thing, and if you're stuck with this error, what you have to do? Yeah, you have to simply copy this and search in Google. Okay, or else I will just copy this, and I will be going in the next tab. So you can just search over here. Once you just get that particular error, you have to proceed by searching the error, and definitely then you have to go with Stack Overflow example. And then here you will find the same error what we get. So simply refer the answer. Okay, so copy this and go in our Jupyter notebook and simply change with this command. Fine, and run now. Once you run, now you will find that there is no error. Got it? You have to just click on the link, and this is what we need. This is the dash what we have created right now with our data. It's an interactive, and then we can zoom this, we can zoom out, and if you want to go with the previous, that is a very good things what we can do. Okay, so this is how where we can find the code and we can run on web application. So if anybody needs more examples and tutorials, please kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.